Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Now we'll go to section 4.5. In this section, we are talking mainly about the rank of a matrix. That's it. I don't need to talk about the column space, the row space is not included in this course. So, what is the definition of the rank of a matrix? I have A, n by n matrix. The rank of the matrix, denoted by rank of A, is the number of the leading variables in solving the homogeneous system. Remember, when I have AX equals 0, we transfer it into echelon form. Remember, we say the free variables are the number of elements in the dimension. Give me the dimension. And also we have the leading variables. Now the leading variables will give me the rank of the matrix. The rank of the matrix. In solving this, after I'm making it in echelon form. Be careful. After I make the matrix, I transfer the matrix into an echelon form. The free variables will give you the dimension of the space, of the subspace, and the leading variable will give me the rank of the matrix. We're talking about the rank of the matrix here. Also, we define the solution space of this system is called the null space. Remember, we talk about the basis for this space, the space called null space. And since the free variables and the leading variables will give me all variables, all the variables, which is the number of n, which is the number of columns. Because you know the equations will be represented by the rows and the columns represent the variables. So free variables plus leading variables will give me the total number of variables, which is n, the number of columns. So this is what they mean. The rank of A and the dimension of the null space, which is null of A, is equal to n. In this example, this matrix A, okay. Now this is the started with this matrix. I did the row echelon form, so that's now it's in the row echelon form. It's ready. Now check. What are the leading variables? This is 1, 2, 3. I have 3 leading variables. I have 3 leading variables, which means the rank of A equals 3. I have 2 free variables, which give me the dimension with another space, which was in section 4.4. Now, another definition for the rank is the number, which is here. Yeah, which I think in here. Okay, let me state it here. The number of non-zero rows. The number, another definition, non-zero rows after row echelon form. After you wrote it in the row echelon form. How many rows we have non-zero? 1, 2, 3. I have 3. The same thing. The rank is A. So I have 2 definitions. The rank is the number of, oh, yes, here. The number of non-zero rows in a row echelon form. Also, yeah, it has 3 non-zero rows, and also the 3 leading variables, and the number of leading variables after writing it in the echelon form. So what I will do, take the matrix, write it in the row echelon form, then it's up to you. Either the leading variables, how many, will be the rank, or the number of non-zero rows. This is the 2 definition. And don't forget, the rank of A plus the dimension of null space equal to n, which I wrote it here, very clear. By the way, the rank of A should be less than or equal to the minimum of m and n. Huh? Okay, now consider the homogeneous system. Total number of variables is n, which is the number of columns. The number of free variables, this is, we talk about the dimension of the solution space of the system, which is the dimension of the null space. The number of leading variables is the rank of A. For sure, rank, the dimension of this solution space plus the rank of A, give me n, or n minus the rank of A equals the dimension of the solution space of AX equals 0. This is the way they define the null space. We say all vectors in Rn says that A times that vector is equal to 0. This is they call it the null space. As we said, the solution space called the null space. The relation is this: rank of A plus dimension of null of A equal n, which is the same thing, which is we said. So mainly we have two things. The rank of the matrix, how to find it? It's after writing the matrix in echelon form, we check the number of leading variables or the number of non-zero rows. That should be the same, and that will give me the rank. And don't forget the rank of A. Don't forget this: the rank of A plus the dimension of the null space of A give me n, which is the number of columns. Okay, let us do some problems. Find the rank of this matrix. What I will do, the first things, I will write the matrix in row echelon form. So what I will do, that give me 1, 1, minus 1, 3. I have minus 3 R1 plus R2, and minus 3 R1 plus R3. That'll give me what? Minus 2 times 1, that will be plus 2, that will be 0. Minus 2 minus 2, that will give me minus 4. Minus 2, that give me 8. Minus 2 times 3, minus 6 plus 8, that give me minus 2. Next one. Correct. Multiply minus 2 and 2. Minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, that give me 8. Minus 2 minus 6 plus 2. That give me plus 2, sorry. Minus 6 plus 8, that give me plus 2. Now minus 3 and add, that will be 0. Minus 3 and add, that give me 2. Minus 3 and add, that give me minus 4. Minus 3 and add, that give me what? Minus 9 plus 8, minus 1. Okay. Now, divide the second row by minus 1 over 4. Multiply it by minus 1 over 4. Divide it by minus 4. What you will get? 0, 1, minus 2. And the last one is minus half. This is 0, 2, minus 4, minus 1. Now multiply the second row by minus 2 and add it to the third row, second row. You'll get what? 1, 1, minus 1, 3. Okay. I have 0, 1, minus 2, minus half. This is 0. So I have what? I have minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 times 4 minus 4, that will be 0. Minus 2, that will be 1, that will be 0. So very clear. What are the number of non-zero rows? Very clear, they are 2. The number of leading variables, also they are 2. So the rank of the matrix, we can say number of leading variables, 2. And the number of non-zero rows, one of them is enough, 2. So the rank of A is 2. The rank of A is 2. Okay, just I need the rank of A. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Find the rank of this matrix. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. Yeah. I need to do the calculation. The idea is very simple. You can do it with any matrix. One, two. Okay, let me do the calculation. Yeah, minus 3 R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1 plus R3 minus 2 R1 plus R4. Okay, let us see what will happen. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 3 and add, that will be 0. Minus 3 times 2, that give me, yeah, sorry, that give me what? Minus 3 and add, so it will be minus 6 plus 4, that give me minus 2. Minus 3 and add, that give me 6. Minus 9, this is 2. Okay, correct? No, yeah, multiply minus 3 and add, yeah. Minus 3 and add, that give me 1. Yeah, a little bit complicated. Okay. Now, what will be the next one? Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be minus 1. Minus 2 and add, that give me 3. Minus 2 and add, so it will be what? Minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. Minus 2 and add, that give me what? Minus 4 plus 8, that give me 4. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that give me minus 2. Minus 2 and add, that give me 6. Minus 2 and add, that give me minus 9. Minus 2 and add, that give me 1. Okay. So what I will do, I can interchange R2 with R3. Of what? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. I have 0, minus 1, 3, minus 5, 4, because I need the ones, huh? Like this, 0, minus 2, 6, minus 9, 1. And I notice this is the same. So now, multiply the second row by minus 1. Yeah, I'm doing it in details. So I have 0, 1, minus 3, 5, minus 4. This is the same. Now multiply now the second row by 2 and add it to the third row. Second row by 2 and add it to the fourth row. I'm getting 1. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. This is the same. Okay. So I have 0. Now 2 and added, that will be 0. 2 and added, that will be 0. 10 plus minus 9, that will be 1. Minus 8 plus 1, that will be minus 7. That will be 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 7. Now multiply the fourth row, the third row by minus 1 and add it to the fourth row. Yeah. That gives me 0, 1, minus 3, 5, minus 4, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 7. The last one will be zeros. What will be the rank of A? Will be 3 in this case, which is very clear. The number of leading variables is 3, and the number of non-zeros is 3. Now, yeah, you can have different examples. That's mainly the things. So let me go directly to the old exams question. Find the rank of this matrix. Okay. Do the calculation. I need to multiply the first row by minus 1, add second, minus 1 and add to the third, minus 2 R1 and add it to the fourth one. See what will happen. Okay, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add that will be 6. Minus 1 and add that will be 12. Minus 1 and add that will be 7. Minus 1 and add that will be 0. Minus 1 and add that will be 5. Minus 1 and add that will be 10. Minus 1 and add. Minus 1 and add. That give me 6. Minus 2 and add that will be 0. Minus 2 and add that give me 6. Minus 2 and add that give me 12. Minus 2 that give me 7. Okay. Yeah, you can have fractions, no problem. You have 1 over 6 times R2 to get what? Yeah, I think it's very clear that with the rank is 3, but let me do the calculation. 0, 5, 10, 6, 0, 6, 12, 7. So multiply the second row by minus 5 and add it to the third row, the minus 6 and second row and add it to the fourth row, which will be everything zeros. Okay. Yeah. Multiply by minus 5 and add that will be 0. Minus 5 and add that will be 0. Minus 5 and add that will be minus 35 over 6 plus 6. I don't care. It's not 0. What's the value? Who cares? Now minus 6 and add that will be 0. Minus 6 and add that will be 0. Minus 6 and add, oh, wait a minute. This is 0. Minus 6 and add that will be 0. 0, 0. So very clear. The rank of A, now it's an echelon form. Huh? It's an echelon form. So the rank of A is 3. Either the number of non-zero rows or the leading variables. I don't care. This is not equal to 0. This is the most important thing. The rank of this matrix, I need to minus 2R1 plus R2 minus 2R1 plus R1 plus R3 minus 2R1 plus R4. See what will happen. 1, 3, 3, 9 minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be 1. Good. Minus 2 and add, that will be minus 2. Minus 2, which is minus 18, plus 8, that minus 10. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2, that will be 1. Minus 2, minus 6 plus 5, that will be minus 1. Minus 2, which is minus 18, plus 12, that give me minus 6. Now minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be 2. Minus 2 minus 6 plus 3, that is minus 3. Okay. Yeah. Minus what? Minus 2 minus 18, that will be minus 16. Okay. Not sure things will go. 1339 multiplied by minus 2, that will be 0. Minus 2 times 3 plus 7, 1. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Minus 18 plus 8 minus 10. Now this is minus 2. This will be the same 1. Yeah, everything is minus 2. Minus 6 plus 5, that's minus 1. Minus 18 plus 12, that is minus 6. Okay. The things are okay. I'm just checking. 2 minus 6 plus 3, that's minus 3. Minus 18. So that's minus 16. Okay, now I have minus R2 plus R3 minus 2 R2 plus R4. See what will happen. 1, 3, 3, 9, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 10. Multiply by minus and add, that will be 0. by -1 and add, that will be 1. Huh? -1 and add, that will be 1. -1 and add, that will be 4. -2 and add, that will be 0. -2 and add, that will be 1. -2, 20 minus 14, and that will be 4. So now I do -R3 plus R4, which gives me the answer. 133901 -2 minus 10, 0014, and the last thing will be 0000. So what's the rank of A? Equals 3. And that's the answer. Okay. Now he gave me the rank, and he want what? And he gave me the M by N, the matrix. He want the dimension of the solution space. So what I will do, I have this formula. The N minus the rank of A is the dimension of the solution space. So the dimension, this is equal N minus rank of A. What is N? N equal 8. On the rank of A, he said is 3. And that is 5. That will be the answer. Find the rank of A. Yeah. Multiply the first row by 1 and add it to the second row and add it to the fourth row. Let us see what will happen. 0, 3. I have -1, 1. No. I need to do the calculation. If we do the calculation, what we will get? Yeah. Hopefully the calculation is correct. Now, multiply by 1 and add, that will be 0. 0 times 1 is 0 times 1 plus 1 is 1. That will be 1 also. This one, multiply by 1 times 0, that will be 3. By 1 times 3, that will be 3. Now, this will be the same. No change. 2, 1, 2, 0. By 1 and add, that will be 0. By 1 and add, that will be 3. By 1 and add, that will be 2. Correct? Yeah. By 1 and add, that will be 5. By 1 and add, that will be 3. Okay. Now multiply the second row by -2 and add it to the third, and -3 second row and add to the fourth. Let's see what will happen. I have 1, 0, -1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1, 3, 3. Okay, so I have second row by -2, -2 times 1 plus 2, that's 0. That will be -1. -6 plus 2, that will be -4. -6 plus 0, that will be -6. Now by -3 and add, that will be 0. -3 plus 2, that is -1. -9 plus 5, that is -4. -9 plus 3, that is -6. I can multiply the third row by -3. Yeah, you can do it quickly, but I'm doing it. I'm trying to have a complete explanation. Now, R3 added to R4. You have what? 1, 0, -1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 1, 3, 3, 0, 0, 1, 4, 6. That will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the rank of A equals 3. This is echelon 4. So the rank of A equals 3. Find the rank of this matrix is, I think we did it before. Yeah, it's the same question. Okay, so it's 3. Yeah, same. 1, 3, 3, 9, 2, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 5, 12, 2, 8, 3, 2. Done before. Okay. Now it's a little bit different. He said if the rank of the matrix is equal to 2, and he gave you K somewhere, you want K. Okay. We'll do the same thing. What I will do, I make this in terms of echelon form. So I need to multiply minus R1 plus R2, minus R1 plus R3, minus R1 plus R4. See what will be the matrix. 1, 1, 1, 2. I'm saying it's 0, 0, 0, the right-hand side, huh? But we can do it quickly. No need for 0, because 0, 0, 0 has no meaning. Okay. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 1. Minus 1 and add, that will be 1. Minus 1 and add, that will be 1. Now, I have 0, 1. Now, minus 1 and add, that give me k square minus 3k plus 3. I'm multiplying minus R1, add to the first row by minus 1 and add it to the third row. And minus 1 and add, that give me 1. Now I have 0, minus 1 and add, minus 1 and 2, that is 1. Minus 1 and add it to this, so I have k squared minus 5k plus 7. Minus 1 and add, that give me 1. Continue. So I multiply the second row by minus 1 and add it to the third. Second row by minus 1, add it to the fourth. What I have? 1, 1, 2. I have 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be minus 1. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1. I multiply the second row by minus 1 and add it to the third row. Sorry, this is 0. This is 0. Second row. Multiply the second row by minus 1, add it to the third row. So this is 0. So I have what now? 0, 0. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, hopefully I did it correctly. Okay. So minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that give me k squared minus 3k plus 2. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Okay. I think I did a mistake somewhere. Let me just repeat it. Check. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0, 0, 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 1, 1, 1. Correct? Minus 1 and add, that will be 1. K squared minus 3k plus 3. K squared minus 5k plus 7. Correct. Now, minus 1 and add, that will be 1, 1, 1. Correct. Okay. Now, minus R2 plus R3. Yeah, this is what I'm concerned about. Now, will be the same, no change. This is 0. This is 0. This is okay. So minus 1 and add, will be the same also. Fixed. Yeah, will be fixed. I'm multiplying by, I'm changing R3, not R2. Okay. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be k squared minus 3k plus 2. Minus 1 add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be k squared minus 5k plus 6. And that will be 0. Okay. Now it's an echelon form, or almost. So to be equal to, it means I need to have 2 non-zero rows. I have already 2. It means these 2 rows should be 0 rows. So I have 2 things. I have k squared minus 3k plus 2 equals 0, and k squared minus 5k plus 6 equals 0. I have these 2 equations should be satisfied. When this is, it means k minus 2 for k minus 1 equal to 0. So k equal 1 or k equal 2. Here I have k minus 2 for k minus 3 equals 0. So I have k equal 2, and k equal 3. So very clear, my solution should be k equal 2, because I needed to satisfy both of them. If I satisfy only one of them, if I have k equal 1, for example, then the third row will be 0, but the fourth one, it will not be. So I have, the rank is 3, not 2. So I need both to be satisfied. So I have k is equal to is the only solution. Okay. Find the rank of this matrix. Yeah, we'll do the calculation. Multiply the first row by 3 and add it to the second. Minus 5 R1 added to the third. 7 R1 plus the fourth. Let us see what will happen. Yeah, it's a matter of calculation. I think the idea is very clear. Multiply by 3 and add, that will be 0. By 3 and add, that will be minus 2, correct? 3 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that will be 4. 3 and add, that will be 4. By minus 5 now. Minus 5 and add, that will be 0. Minus 5, give me 10 minus 6, which is 4. Minus 10 minus 2, minus 12. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Okay. 7 and add, that will be 7. 7, give me what? 14. Yeah. Multiply by 7, not minus 7. So minus 14 plus 8, that give me minus 6. Minus 14, minus 7. 7. 14 minus 2, that give me 12. Yeah, that makes the thing. Let me do it again. 1 minus 2, 2, 1. Multiply by 3 and add. So it will be 0. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 2, 6. Multiplying by 3. Minus 6 plus 6 minus 2, that will be 4. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Correct. Now multiply by minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 10 minus 6, that is 4. Minus 5. Minus 10 plus 2. Yeah. Multiplying by minus 5. Minus 5 times 2, 10 minus 6, that is 4. Minus 5 times 2, that is minus 10 plus 2, that is minus 8. And then minus 5 plus 1, that give me minus 4. Is it? Yeah. 10 minus 6, 4. Minus 10 plus 2, minus 8. Minus 5 plus 1, minus 1. Okay. Last one. By 7 and add. Minus 14 plus 8, minus 6. 14 minus 2, that is 12. 7 plus 1, that is 6. I can divide the second row by minus half. Or multiply, divide by minus 2. Or multiply by minus half is the same idea. See what will happen. I have 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2. And the rest are the same. Now multiply the second row by minus 4 and add it to the third. And the second row by 6 and add it to the fourth. Yeah. 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2. 0, minus 4 and add it, that will be 0. Minus 4, 8 minus 8, that will be 0. Minus 4, 8 minus 4, that will be 4. 0. Multiply by what? Multiply the second row by 6 and add to the fourth row. Yeah, wait a minute. Second row, multiplying the second row by minus 4 and add it to the fourth one. Add it to the second one by 4, that will be minus by minus 4. That will be 8 minus 8. That will be 0, correct? By minus 4, that will be 4. Okay, correct. Just check it. 6 and add it, that will be 0. So I have minus 12 plus 12, that will be 0. 6. So I have minus 12. I have minus 12. And what? I have minus 12 and 6. What is this? Multiply by 6. Minus 24. Plus 6. Minus 18. Yeah. Did I do any mistakes? 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2. Multiply by 4, minus 4, and add that is 0. Minus 4, and that is 0. Minus 4, 8 minus 4, that is 4. 6, 0. 6, 0. Yeah. Now, I have what? Divide the fourth one by 1 over 4. The fourth one by 1 over 4. Yeah, you have what? 1 minus 2, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 18. Multiply the R3 by 18 and add it to the fourth one to make it 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you have 0, 0, 0, and this is 0. So the rank of A equal to 3. Yeah, I need to be careful with the calculation. Find all values of M for which the rank of A is 2. Okay. Yeah. So I have this matrix. What I will do first, I will interchange R2 with R3. Interchange R2 with R1. So half 1, because it will be easier to deal with. The rest will be the same. Now, multiply the first row by minus 2 and add it to the third row. I mean, you need to check, be careful with the calculation. Huh? Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be M minus 4. Minus 2 and add, that will be 4. Okay. Correct? Yeah. That will be 4. Huh? By minus 4, I multiply by what? Multiply by minus 2. So minus 4 plus 8, that will be 4. Correct. Now, I need to make this 0. So multiply, yeah, be careful here. 4 minus M times R2 and add it to R3. See what will happen. This is 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0. Multiply the second row by 4 minus M, that M minus 4, that will make it 0. So I have here 2, 4 minus M plus 4. Yeah, at the rank is 2. I have already 2 non-zero rows. So this one should be 0. So I have this should be equal 0. So I have only 2 non-zero rows. So it means 8 minus 2M plus 4 equals 0. So I have what? Yeah, I have 12 minus 2M equals 0. So M equal 12 over 2, which is 6. Okay, that will be my answer. M is equal to 6. Yeah, be careful about the calculation. Find the values for which the matrix below has rank 3. The rank is 3. So first, I need to write it in echelon 4 minus R1 minus 4R1 plus R3 minus 3 R1 plus R4 to get what? 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4. This is the same. Now, times minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Minus 4 and add, 8 minus 3, that will be 5. Minus 12 plus 2, that give me minus 10. Minus 16 plus k, that will be 16 plus k. Minus 3 and add, that will be 0. 6 minus 2, that give me 4. Okay, correct? Yeah, multiplied by minus 3, yeah. Minus 3, minus 9 plus 1, that will be minus 8. Minus 3 plus 0, that give me minus 9. Now what I will do, I multiply the second row by minus 5 and add it to the third. Minus 5 R2 added to the fourth. Correct. I need to double check. Multiply by minus 4 and add, minus 4 and add. Minus 4, 8 minus 3, 5. Minus 12 plus 2 minus 10. 16 plus k, 16 plus k. By minus 3 and add. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. That will be 12. Yeah. I multiply by minus 3, the first row, plus R4. I have 0. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. 12 plus 0, 12. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. Minus 2, 3 minus 4. I have 0, 1, minus 2, 3. Now I'm working with the second row. 0, 0. Multiply by minus 5 and add it, that will be 0. Minus 5 times 10 times minus 2, that 10 minus 10, that will be 0. So I have minus 15 plus this. So I have k plus 1. Correct? Yeah, I have minus 15 plus 16 plus k. That will be k plus 1. Okay, great. Now minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Be careful now. Now it's ready. So I need the rank to be 3. So I need 3 non-zero rows. I have 1, 2. That means this should be a non-zero row. So my condition is k plus 1 not equal to 0. So it means k not equal to minus 1. Be careful. Yeah. I need a 3 non-zero row. I have 2. This is already 0 row because I have the rank is equal to 3. So k plus 1 should not equal to 0. Find the rank of this matrix. Yeah, what I will do, the first things, I will interchange R3 with R1. So I have what? Minus 1, 4, minus 2, 1, 3, 2, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 0. Multiply the first row by minus 1. Yeah. It's good to practice this. Now multiply the first row by minus 3 and add to the second. First row by minus 2 and add it to the third. Multiplying the first row. Yeah. By minus 3 and add, that is 0. Minus 3 times 4, that's minus 12 plus 2, minus 10. 6 plus 0, 6. Minus 3 times 1, minus 3. Times minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Now by minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be what? minus 3 and add, that will be minus 10. 6 plus 0, minus 2. Correct. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, minus 8, minus 1, minus 9. Minus 3, minus 2 and add, that will be 4 plus 1, that will be 5. Minus 2 and add, that is minus 2. Okay. That will lead us to what? Okay. How to deal now with this one? Yeah, change it into fraction. Who cares? So I divide by minus 1 over 10, R2. 1, 4, minus 2, 1. I have 0, 1, minus 6 over 10, which is minus 3 over 5. 2 over 10, which is 1 over 5. Okay. Now multiply the second row by 9 and add it to the third. You have what? 1, 4, minus 2, 1. This will be the same. What I care about is it 0 or not 0? Minus 9 and add it, that will be 0. So I have now 27 over 5 plus 5. I have what? 9 over 5 minus 2. So very clear. Yeah, let me do the calculation. 0, 1, minus 3 over 5, 1 over 5. And this is 0, 0. 27 plus 25 is what? Oh, 52. This is minus 1 over 5. Yeah. Yeah, very clear. This is cannot be 0. So you have how many non-zero rows? You have the rank of A will be 3. This matrix, did we do it before? Because I think the idea is the same. Is it this one? No. No, we did not do it. So let me do it. It's a good practice. I have R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1 plus R3 minus 3 R1 plus R4. Let us see what will happen. 1, 3, 2, 4. Multiply by 1 and add, that will be 0. By 1 and add, that will be 7. By 1 and add, that will be 7. By 1 and add, that will be 7. Good. Multiply minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 6 plus 6, that will be 0. Minus 2. Minus 4 plus 5, that is 1. Minus 2, that will be 0. Minus 3 and add, 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 that will be 0. So very clear. Yeah, let me do it. I have 1 over 7 R2, 1, 3, 2, 4. That will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, which is now additional form. So I have how many non-zero rows? I have these 3 leading, or so the rank of A equals 3. Okay. Yeah. Now I have these. Wow. 1, 1, 3, 3, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1. Oh, no. Yeah, I have R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1 plus R3, 2 R1 plus R4. Let us see what will happen. 1, 1, 3, 3, 0. I have minus 1. This will be 0. times 1 and add, that will be 1, 1, 2, 1. By minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 times 1 plus 3, that is 1. Minus 2, that will give me 1. Minus 2, that give me 2. Minus 2 and add, that give me 1. Now by 2 and add, that give me 0. By 2 and add, that give me 6. By 2 and add, that give me 6. By 2 and add, that give me 12. By 2 and add, that give me 7. So I have now minus R2 plus R3 minus 6R2 plus R4. What you have? 1, 1, 3, 3, 0. These are fixed on us. 1, 1, 2, 1. By minus, that will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now by minus 6 and add, that will be 0. That will be 0. That will be 0. But that will be 1. So how many leading variables you have? You have 3. So the rank of A will be 3. You can take this to the back, or the number of non-zeros is 3, which is this. A is 3 by 10, so n equal 10. The rank of A is 4. What is the dimension of the null space? Which is n minus the rank of A, which is 10 minus 4, which is 6. Yeah, good one. Find the rank of this matrix. Yeah, we'll not do before. So I have minus 2, which is question 11 in the book, minus 2R1 plus R2, minus 4R1 plus R3, minus 3R1 plus R4. Yeah, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, that will be 0. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. That is 1. That is 2. Minus 2, that will be 1. I think we did it before. Is it the same? 1, 1, 3, 0. No. Okay. Yeah, similar to the one before. Minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Minus 4 and add, that will be 2. Minus 4 and add, that give me 2. Minus 4 and add, that give me 4. Minus 4 and add, that give me 2. Yeah, similar to the one before. Minus 3 and add, that will be 0. Minus 3 and add, that give me minus 2. Minus 3 and add, that give me 2. Yeah, minus 2, not 2. Be careful. Multiply the first one by minus 3 and add it to the fourth. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 9 plus 7, that is minus 2. Minus 9 plus 4, that's minus 4. Minus 3 plus 4, that give me 1. Now, minus 2, R2 plus R3, plus 2, R2 plus R4. See what will happen. I have 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. 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 2 and add, that will be 0. 2 minus 2, that will be 0. 4 minus 4, that will be 0. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what is the rank? Will be 3. We take this to the rank equals 3. The rank of this matrix is not the same? No. And the rank is 2. Okay, it's good to see different examples. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. We did all of these examples. Okay. Let me try to finish. Yeah. minus 3 R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1 plus R3 minus 4 R1 plus R4. 1, 2, 3, minus 9, 9. Yeah, I have minus 9. It's okay. Minus 3 and add that will be 0. Minus 3 and add that will be 0. Minus 3 and add that will be minus 7. Minus 3 and add that will be 28. 27 plus 1. Minus 27 plus 6. That give me what? Minus 27 plus 6. That give me minus 21. Okay. Now I have minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. Minus 2 and add, that's minus 5. Minus 2 and add, that will be 18 plus 2, 20. Minus 2 and add, minus 18 plus 3, minus 15. 0. Minus 4 and add, that will be 0. Minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. That will be 36. Minus 4 minus 36 plus 9 minus 27. Now divide by minus 1 over by minus 7, the second row, to get what? 1 minus 9, 9. They have 1, 0, 0, 1, minus 4, 3. And the rest are the same. Very clear, I'm heading towards what? Now multiply the second row by minus 5 and add it to the third row. And multiply the second row by 9 and add to the fourth row. So the third row and the fourth row will be 0, 0, 0. Yeah. 0, 0. Multiply by 5 and add, that will be 0. 5 and add, that will be 0. 5 and add, that will be 0. By 9 and add, that will be 0. Minus 36 plus 36. Minus 20 by 9. 27 minus 27, that will be 0. So the rank of A will be 2. The number of non-zero rows or the leading coefficient. Not the leading variable, the number of leading variable. If the rank is equal to 2, find M. Okay, we did it before. Let me do it again. So I have minus R1 plus R2 minus 2 R1 plus R3. Let us see what will happen. 1, 2, 3. By minus 1 and add, that is 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 3. Minus 1 and add, that's minus 12. By minus 2 and add, that is 0. Minus 2 and add, that will be 1. Minus 2. So I have M minus 6. Now divide by 3, second row. Make it 1. I have minus 4, 0, 1, M minus 6. Multiply the second row by minus 2 and add it to the third row. So I have 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, minus 4. Minus 1 add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be M minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. I have the rank is 2. It means I need 2 non-zero rows. I have already 1, 2. So I need this to be 0. Because I have only 2 non-zero rows. So it means M is equal to 2, which is this one. So these are the questions in the book. I'll do the suggested problems maybe and other problems. Okay. So minus R1 plus R2 minus 2R1 plus R3. I have 1, 2, 3. This is 0. I have minus 2. That will be 1. Minus 2. That will be minus 15. Minus 1 and add. Minus 1 and add. That will be 3. Minus 1 and add. Minus 12. What is this? Multiply by minus 1. Minus 2 plus 5. That is 3. Sorry for this. multiplying by -1. Huh? -1 plus 1, that is 0. -2 plus 5, that is 3. -3 minus 9 minus 12. -2 and add, that is 0. -2 and add, that is 1. -2, that will be what? That will be -2 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. So what we have, now we divide 1 over 3 by the second row. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 4. Second row by -2, by -1 add to the third. I have 1, 2, 3, 0, 1 minus 4, 0, 0, 0. So very clear, the rank of A is 2. Another problem, -2 R1 plus R2 minus R1 plus R3. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. Now, by -2 and add, that will be 0. -2 and add, that will be 7. -2, 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4. Multiply by -2, huh? -2 times -9 is 18 plus 4, that give me 22. -2, 10 plus 11, that give me 21. Yeah, what numbers? By -1 and add, that is 0. That would be 6. -1 and add, that would be 12. -1 and add, that would be 18. You know what? I'll divide the third row by 1 over 6 and interchange it to second. Who cares? Yeah, you can do it the way you like. 0, 1. No, this is 0, 7. I'll do it in 2 steps. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now interchange R2 with R3. To have what? 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 7, 22, 21. Now multiply the second row by -7 and add it to the third row. See what will happen. 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. I have 0, 1, 2, 3. I have 0. Multiply by -7 and add, that will be 0. Yeah, -14 plus 22, that is 8. That is 0. So I have, the rank is what? 3. The rank is 3. Okay. I have 3 problems to go. So let me do it. I have now, this is minus R1 plus R2 minus R1 plus R3 minus 2 R1 plus R4. See what will happen. Yeah, -1 and add, that will be 0. -1 and add, that will be 3. -1 and add, that will be 6. -1 and add, that will be 9. Good. -1 and add, that will be 0. -1 and add, that will be 2. 2 plus 3, that is 5. No, it's 4. What is 5? -1 times -1 is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. -1 minus 7 plus 13, that is 6. So -2, that will be 0. -2 plus 5, that will be 3. -2, 2 plus 4, that will be 6. -14 plus 23, that is 9. So I divide the second row by 3 to get what? 1, 1, minus 1, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, very clear, the rank will be 2. But let me do it completely. So the second row by -2 and add it to the third. And the second row by -3 and add it to the fourth. 1 minus 1 7 0 1 2 3. That will be 0 0 0 0. And the same thing here. So the rank of A will be 2. Okay. Minus R1 plus R2 minus R1 plus R3 minus 2R1 plus R4. By the way, if you notice it, 1, 1, 1, 2, almost the same like the previous one. That's okay. Now I have this. See what will happen. Minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 6. Minus 1 and add, that will be 12. Minus 1 and add, that will be 7. Okay. You sure? Yeah, multiply by minus 1 and add. Yeah, very clear. By minus 1 and add, that will be 0. Minus 1 and add, that will be 5. Minus 1 and add, that will be 10. Minus 1 and add, that will be 6. Okay. Minus 2 and add, that will be 0. So it will be 4 plus 2, that will be 6. Minus 2, that will be 6 plus 6, that will be 12. Minus 2, 10 minus 3, which is 7. Okay. Yeah. The line should be 3, but it's okay. Now let me divide the second row by 1 over 6. I have 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 0, 1, 2, 7 over 6. I think we did it before. Let me do it again. So multiply the second row by minus 5 and add it to the third, minus 6 times the second row and add it to the fourth. And that will give me the answer. 1, 2, 7 over 6. Minus 5 and add that will be 0, 0. Here I have what? 6 minus 35 over 6, which is not equal to 0, very clear. And that will be 0, 0, 0, multiplied by minus 6 here. Yeah, and that will be 0. Minus 6 and add, yeah. So this is not equal to 0. So I have the rank of A equals 3. This is a number, I don't care what is it, but it's not equal to 0. Actually, it's 1 over 6, which is a nice one. It's 1 over 6, not equal to 0. This is the most. The last one, I think the last one for this section. Multiply the first one by 1 and add second, minus 2 R1 plus R3, 2 R1 plus R4. Did I do it before? 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2. Yeah, I think it's this one. Is it? 1 1 3 3 0. 1 1 3 3 0. 1 1 3 3 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 2 3 7 2 3 7 8 1. Yeah, be sure. What is it? Oops. 2 3 7 8 1 minus 2 4 0 6 7. Minus 2 4 minus 2 4 0 6 7, which is the same, done before. Only to do it again. And the rank of A equals 3. Okay, let me stop. I think this is the end of this section. 5.4. Let me stop the recording. Stop it. Thank you.